T-minus 3, 2, 1, go.
And the autonomous period begins with Red Alliance scoring a high specimen by Enigma. Meanwhile, over here on the Blue Alliance, we have 3747 The Hive, placing 2 samples into those high baskets for the Blue Alliance. Looking over here, we have Triple Fault scoring what looks like 3 samples in that high basket with 23014. I apologize. That's going to be the Flying Dutchman scoring a specimen for the Blue Alliance as we end the autonomous period.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And the driver control period begins with all 4 robots moving around the field controlled by their human drivers. They are focused to try to get as many points possible. Looking at the Hive and what looks like Triple Fault, they are both scoring for their respective alliances into that high basket. Hive scores 3 additional ones into that high basket for the Red Alliance. Now we have all 4 robots here at the submersible with Triple Fault moving over to that high basket, unfortunately dropping one of those red samples off the stage. 1 minute 30 seconds left in the match. It's currently a Red Alliance victory with 147 to 121. However, we do have plenty of time to finish out this match strong for the Blue Alliance. Looking over at the strategy over here, we have Team Enigma going over and grabbing those specimens made by their human player earlier during autonomous period, going over to the high chamber to attempt to score those for their alliance. Ooh, it looks like they were just a little too far from that bar, but they're realigning to try again, having some difficulties getting it to stay with 1 minute left in the match. However, it does look like they were successful, bringing us to a total of 3 on the Red Alliance high chamber. Looking over here at the Hive, we're scoring, nearly filling up that high basket for the Blue Alliance, with Team Triple Fault doing the same for the Red Alliance as we approach that last 30 seconds of the match. You all know that sound. That means it's the end game period, the last 30 seconds of the match. We have Enigma filling up that high chamber for the Red Alliance. However, they still can fit a few more. They did bring a neutral sample into that observation zone, which unfortunately cannot be used on the chamber. However, can still be used on their overflowing high basket with 10 seconds left in this match. 267 to 197 is the score with 5 seconds left. Count it with me, folks. 3, 2, 1. And all 4 robots are hanging. And it goes to the Red Alliance with a score of 297 to 227.